Hello, violins. Today we're going to learn the names of the notes of all the notes that belong on our open D string. So when we put fingers down on a string, we actually change the pitch and the sound of the note. We learned with our left hand how to put all four fingers down and get them on the tapes. But this, every time you put a finger down, you play a new note. You are still making the D string vibrate, but when you put different fingers down, you get different sounds on the instrument and that you create different notes. So today we're going to talk about our notes on the D string. We're going to start with where G lives in the music. And for us, G is third finger on the D string. So we're going to put three fingers on the third finger tape on the D string. You would pluck the D and it would sound like this. That note is called G because we're changing the D string's note. We're changing the sound of the D string. And we see G as living on the second line. So please repeat after me. G lives on the second line. Ready, go. G lives on the second line. Very good. So this is where G lives. And that's third finger on the D string like that. If we were to remove one finger and play two fingers on the second finger tape, we would get the note F sharp. F sharp lives on the bottom space. It's not a line note, it's a space note. So we would say F sharp lives on the bottom space. Please repeat after me. F sharp lives on the bottom space. F sharp lives on the bottom space. All right. If we were to remove our first finger, we would get the note E, and E looks like this. E lives on the bottom line. Please repeat after me. E lives on the bottom line. Ready, go. E lives on the bottom line. So very good. So when we see this note right here, this G, we would play three fingers down on our D string and pluck our D string. When we see this note right here, F sharp, we would put two fingers down on the D string and we would pluck the D string. F sharp. And when we see this note right here, one E, which is on the bottom line, that's first finger on the D string, and we'd pluck the D string, and it sounds like this. That's E. So these are the three notes on our D string.